Why
Brother,
the Muslim have to make a war to Christian and also Jews? Why Muslim have to make a war?
Why Muslims have to make a war?
Yeah, as we can see in this world,
Never.
Muslim always make a war to Christian because just naming problem. When we say Jesus,
Brother
the Muslim is also.
brother, you ask the question. Now don't give a lecture here. You ask the question, why do Muslims make a war with the Christian?
Yeah,
Correct?
and also Jews.
Muslims are making war or Christians are making war with the Muslims? Huh? You look around in the world. America is attacking Afghanistan. America and England are sending armies to Iraq. Weapons of mass destruction. It is not found. That means you don't know the news. According to Chilcot report, George Bush, who was the previous president of USA, and Tony Blair, who was the previous president of UK, they are responsible for killing hundreds of thousands of Iraqi.
So Islam is now revenge?
Listen to the answer, brother. Will
Okay,
you listen?
mister.
Your
Okay,
question
mister.
is over. Correct?
Okay.
Now you listen and don't speak.
Okay, mister. Thank you.
You're asking me, keeping on
Answer.
talking, not listening. You are saying Muslims are making war with the Christians. It is the Christian which is making a war with the Muslims. They are attacking everywhere in the name of war for peace. They are not doing war for peace. They are doing war on peace. You see my lecture, Media and Islam, War or Peace. Today, according to Chilcot report, a report taken out by UK, that George Bush and Tony Blair are responsible for killing of hundreds of Muslim Iraqis.
So Islam is
They told a
revenge.
lie. They told a lie that there were weapons of mass destruction. They told a lie. There are no weapons of mass destruction. Today what's happening? They are entering Syria. They are interested in taking control of the oil wells. I tell these Christians, you leave us Muslims alone. If you don't like us, no problem. You leave us alone. Why are you interfering with the Muslims? Today, Islam, 25% of the world population, more than 1.8 billion of the human beings, they are Muslim. If you look at the Crusades, there were tens and hundreds of thousands of human beings killed because they did not accept Christianity. Do you know that? I am asking you the question, which Muslim army came to Indonesia? Today Indonesia has 88% Muslims. Which army came to Indonesia, brother? Which army came to Indonesia, brother? Give me the reply.
Sorry?
Brother, give me the reply. Which army came to Indonesia? Which army?
Netherlands and United Kingdom.
Were they Muslims?
Sorry?
Were they Muslims? They were Christians. Today, Indonesia, 88% of the Indonesians, they are Muslims. The largest country which has the maximum number of Muslims is Indonesia. Which Muslim army came here? So you find out that the Christians were responsible for forcing down their religion. It's a misconception about the sword of Islam, which my son clarified. So go back and read history. You will come to know that Islam is a religion of peace, and we are peaceful people, and we spread the message of peace. Hope that answers the question.
So
Can
what
we have the
about?
next question, please?
Excuse me.
Can we have the next question from the sisters, please?